Swiss 304, if I can send altitude 3,000 feet now, further with the glide path.
Landing 3,000 feet with a glide path is 394.
Berlin 1503, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH is 1028 millibars, range is 17 miles.
Berlin 1503, descending altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1028 millibars.
Swiss 3904, speed 160 knots until 4 miles. Berlin 1503, speed 190 knots.
Berlin 1503, speed 190.
Delta 20 Tango, descend 5 miles, 60 an hour, and lead down 20 Tango, thanks a lot. Thanks to the RS on runway 23 right. Meters are attack, Alpha Golf.
Okay, right, Alpha Golf, Emirates 17.
Roger 120, that's 125, good day.
J4 Charlie Echo, via Juliet 1, line up and wait 239.
Juliet 1, line up and wait 239, GT4 Charlie Echo.
Swiss 3904, contact the tower, 18.625.
118, 625, Swiss 394, bye-bye.
Berlin 1503, turn left heading 265 degrees, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Berlin 1503, UK 1 to 185, right.